Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. A while back ago, I showed you how to use the crimping tool for PEX pipe and so forth. And I told you that I'd get back to you on that. Well, some time has gone by, and I kind of forgot all about it. One of the things I wanted to show you also with the crimping is you can actually reuse these couplings and elbows by cutting the brass band off. And a way to do that is once you take the ones that you're all done using, or maybe you're taking apart an old project, and that's what's happening here, is you just take your PEX cutter, all right, and you want to cut as close as you can to the the brass pipe fitting, and then you take this tool right here, really cool tool, and I'll put a link down below where to get this, and you just take that and you just squeeze it, and it's actually going to break that brass ring. And I'll actually do that a couple times, one on one side, one on the other, and I'll just kind of pull that apart. Once you've done that, you can also do the same thing on the PEX pipe. Just kind of cut that a couple times, and that will come right off there. And if it doesn't, just grab a pair of needle nose pliers or something like that, or channel locks, pull right off. And now you have another fitting to use on another project. So I'll do that again real quickly here. Here's a 1/2 inch coupling, and I want to be able to reuse that on another project. That's probably close enough, but I'm going to go ahead and cut it again, so now it's nice and close. Same thing on this side right here. Now I can just take my cutting tool, cut it like that, watch for flying debris, and there you go. And sometimes those will fall right off, but if not, just grab your needle nose pliers and it'll come right out of there. Yeah, there you go. There you go, another fitting. That. More flying debris. It doesn't take any time to do. And you've got a nice coupling to use elsewhere. So this is a must-have if you're going to be doing anything with PEX. All right, quick little video, something I kind of forgot about to show you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one.